Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIAC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough one on this one, as the price is now broken down through an area of support and is now, sitting down. I'll squeeze down the chart a little bit just to offer up context here. Has now broken down below the craziness lows. And what do I mean by that? Well, remember when this thing was just basically going straight down and then finally at least bounced and went sideways for a long time? Well, after today, that's what that green line is representing, that craziness low right there. So zoom back in here now that you have more context. But this is also where, a basic rule goes into play, and that rule states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now, right there at, let's just call it the $40 mark, now going to be that main area of resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted sideways movement and then back to the upside, $40 will be that first key battleground that the price would have to fight up through. If the price can't get up through that area, next key level that you would want to quickly turn your attention to would then be that purple line right there, which on my chart, it's a very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time, and that first key hurdle again is being, the price has got to be able to get up through the $40 area. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that bleeding finally stopped right there at the $39 mark. So for that reason and that reason alone is why that's going to be a very important level, because as you just saw right there, it's already broken down through the crazy low, if you will. But now if the price breaks below that level, that would be putting the price down at lows that, have not been seen for a very, very long time, with that next level of support then being down there right around, let's see, what is that? The 37.90 mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels moving forward. But yeah, definitely not a good day today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.